in order to show our protest against an article that was published recently by the website of Radio-Canada. And it was no less than a communique of the Algerian army, which was sent to the Algerian press service, and then it dispatched it to Agence France Presse, and then from there it went to all the media worldwide, but especially the French media and the French media in France and the French media in Canada. So it was published in the website of Radio-Canada, whereby the MAC movement, for Kabyle self-determination, was presented or depicted as a terrorist movement. And the subtitle or the title of the article says the Algerian police captured 28 members of an organization. And then a little bit farther in the text it says that that organization was deemed as a terrorist organization by the Algerian state, and they were captured with arms and military clothes in their homes without even checking the facts. So this is very serious and dangerous, because we're in a situation where the free and democratic state-sponsored radios and media are taking over articles written by the Algerian army as a communique. So moreover, in Algeria and in France, for example, let alone Kabylie, everybody knows that this is just a lie. But in Canada, that's too far, and people are not aware of what is happening there and whether the regime is democratic or not, and whether this organization is a true terrorist organization or not. And in the text, they are talking about Kabyles, about Berbers. So all they will retain from the readers will retain from the article is that the association between Kabyle, Berbers, Amazigh, and terrorist organization. So they want to do exactly the same thing as they did for the Islamists in the 90s. And that's what the people here who had this in their memory will activate. So for us, it's time to protest against these lies, and especially against the collaboration of Western state or Western or democratic state-sponsored media, such as Radio-Canada.